Hey everyone, so it is Vlogmas day number 6, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my ornaments, or how my students made my ornaments for our Christmas tree. So I did want to apologize for my appearance because I have zero makeup on. I woke up pretty late today and didn't have time to do my makeup, so yeah, sorry about that. But I did want to go ahead and get this video up for you guys and show you how we made our ornaments. So go ahead and keep on watching if you want to see how. Okay, so the first step to do with your students is to have them get some kind of paper and make these little tubes, and this is just so their ornaments can sit on it. As I told you guys before, I went ahead and wrote their names on the ornaments myself. You could have your students write them, or you could also use vinyl if you wanted, or stickers. That's probably what I'll do next year, but I went ahead and wrote them with Sharpie this year, and then they literally do everything else themselves. The next step is for the students to open up their ornaments and then come to my station to get some Windex. Sorry. This is the Windex that I ended up using. So I had them open it up. I then poured some Windex myself. So this is the step that I did for them. And then I have them coat it. So they literally just coat it like this. They should not shake it. You don't want bubbles in it. They just need to make sure that they coat the whole entire ornament. And the instructions were very clear before they did this. So once they are finished coating it, I then had them come and pour their extra Windex inside the Windex container. So they just pour it back in. And then what I do is I let them pick up to 2 glitters. They can just have one if they want, or they can pick 2. So back on their little stand, they pick the 2 glitters they want. So for 4th grade, I'm just going to pick green and orange. I then had them put their top back on, and then they shake it. And when they are finished shaking, it'll look something like this. So when they are finished shaking, it'll look something like this. You still see 4th grade, you see their glitter. And then I just had them grab a paper clip and hang it on our tree when they were finished. So I still have a couple of people who aren't finished, but this is how it looks so far. So it has their names. Isabella. I think that they turned out really cute, and my students enjoyed doing it. This one's really cool, Carly's. It has purple and pink in it. And yeah. So that's what it looks like. So like I said, when they were finished, they just grabbed a paper clip and then they put it on the tree. So this is how one of my students turned out. Says Maddie, it's not really focusing, and she used green and blue. And so that is how we made the ornaments for our tree, and that's really all there is to it. I did get this idea for teaching Monday through Friday on Instagram, so it's not my idea, I got it from her, but like I said, my students really enjoyed it, and now our tree is decorated with all of our wonderful names, so it looks really nice. And I think that's about it, but the only thing I recommend when doing this is make sure that you are the one who pours the Windex. I originally was going to let my students, but then I was like, let me see if I can even do it myself, and it was even a struggle for me not to make a mess. So I just recommend that you pour that yourself, but that is about it. So like I said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know what your video requests are for Vlogmas. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!